Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Be impeccable with your word. Release the need to be right. When you believe something, you assume you're right. You may even destroy relationships in order to defend your position. Let go of the need to defend your position. Market-wise, let's take a look at it. It's all green, folks. The market, once again, went to Sherwin-Williams. They painted it green. Dow Industrials up 69, trading at 22,830. NASDAQ up 7, 65.87. S&P's up 5, 25.48. Gold contract up $6, trading at $12.91. You have the silver market up 17 cents, $17.14 an ounce. Platinum up $18, $9.33 an ounce. Light sweet crude, monster bid up $135, $50.93. Now, it's going to be cool about the oil market, folks. We are going to get the API numbers out at 4:30 today. What oil did do, accelerated up, had some decent volume behind the move, but to me, I suspect it's going to back down a bit. It's a toss-up here. Notes, the 10-year note up 3 ticks, 125.06. 30-year bond up 9 ticks, 152.12. Now, what's so unusual is that you have all of those green. King dollar, not green, in the red. Down 465 ticks, trading at 93.04. The euro is at 118 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 112.5 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. World of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, fourth day up here. You hit a high, 255.05. We closed out at 254.57. And what you have here is that anything under 254.70 would be a failure in price and volume. Subtle, but bottom line, you got over the highs, closed underneath them, and even the high that got generated there on Friday was a light volume high. But we got over that today with half the amount of volume, and it's no holiday, 40 million shares versus the 80 million. That's saying that, hey, guess what? This thing is going to struggle tomorrow. That's what this is saying. NDX 100 is saying the exact same thing. Subtle also. NDX 100 up 11 cents. We got to a price point today of 148.14. You closed at 147.60. Now, the 147.60 is pretty good, actually. The reason I'm saying that is that your benchmark is 147.57. So we closed 3 pennies over that. And what that is this. That's where we broke out last Thursday, getting over the consolidation that we've been in. So we'll see whether that can hold as we get some numbers coming out after the close here. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold and silver, folks, and platinum, they all caught a nice bid. Gold is up 620, 306,000 contracts. We are at a price point of $12.91. Now, this is making its way into the downdraft from the 20th of September. That's $12.99 was the low, $13.19 was the high. I do expect that you're going to not only get into that, I'm expecting that you're going to go right through that. Silver. Silver also caught a really nice bid. Lots of contract volume. Silver today was traded up 1%. We are at $17.14. Silver had 86,000 contracts traded at this price point, and silver also broke its downtrend that had been in place since September 9th. September 9th, silver was at $18.29. Pulls back, gets down last Friday of $16.36. Now it's on the way back topside once again. I expect you're going to not only get to the $18.29, but silver more than likely wants to run to this $18.87, which is the high of the 18th of April. Now, notes. What do we have with notes? Well, notes are going to need more volume. What notes did out here is this. Notes got to 125.14 today. We are in a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. And that confirmed ABC structure on the way down has a price projection of 123.20 approximately. Now, we made it last Friday to 124.22. We rejected price there. Today we did 1.1 million contracts, which is an expansion of volume. We'll see how this tries to get into the B point, which is 125.17. It's going to need a lot more volume. It's going to need about 1.5 million contracts in order to negate that ABC structure on the way down. That being said, the 30-year is giving us an indication that you very well may get that negation of an ABC down. And the reason being is this. The 30-year did 279,000 contracts today, and that is big contract volume. If the 30-year does this as it's trying to get inside the B point, which is 153.16, that would negate it, because what would happen there is that you'd be going back inside that B point instead with higher volume versus lower volume. And what that would say is that, guess what? Game would be up into the 158.09. And what I expect we're going to see is this. This is where it's going to get really, it's amazing how these markets work, because what we have out here tomorrow is that we are going to get the minutes, I believe, of the last meeting. We're going to get those at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So that is going to throw some volatility into the marketplace. Fed minutes, yeah, we're going to get those minutes in the afternoon. So that is going to throw volatility, no doubt, into the aspect of, let me just get this, minutes release. Yeah, October 11th. So tomorrow, this is the September 20th minutes. They're going to be released tomorrow. That is going to throw volatility, no doubt, inside the currency market, inside the metals market. And King Dollar. What do you have with King Dollar? Well, King Dollar goes south, folks. Has the volume on the move lower. King Dollar out here today went down about a half a penny, 455 ticks. We did 26,000 contracts. That's an expansion of contract volume. We're going to be coming into its strength from the 20th of September. Now, the high of that is 92,495. I expect that's going to get hit. In order for that to get broken, you need more than 26,000 contracts, though. We need about a good 35,000. You stay right there, folks. Coming back with our man, Mr. Andy Heck, growling a problem with you. Going to be right back, folks.